Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for the best tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the Cable Matters Cat 8 Ethernet cable, a top-tier networking solution designed for gamers, streamers, and professionals who need ultra-fast, reliable connectivity. Let's break down what makes this cable a must-have. This Cat 8 Ethernet cable delivers next-level speed and reliability. With support for 2000 MHz or 2 GHz bandwidth, it's built for low-latency applications, making it ideal for high-performance tasks like gaming, streaming, and data center applications. Whether you're running a 10G base T, 25G base T, or even a 40G base T network, this cable is designed to handle it effortlessly. One of the biggest advantages of the Cable Matters Cat 8 is its auto-negotiation capability, which allows it to adapt to speeds from 1 Gbps to 40 Gbps. This makes it a cost-efficient alternative to fiber while ensuring backward compatibility with older networking gear. If you're upgrading your home or office network, this cable is a future-proof investment. If you're working with a dense network setup such as an end-of-row (EOR), top-of-rack (TOR), or middle-of-row (MOR) configuration, this Cat 8 cable is a perfect fit. It provides optimal distance and power handling for 25 Gbps and 40 Gbps networks within a 30-meter two-connection channel, ensuring seamless data flow in high-performance environments. Future-proof gaming Ethernet cable. For gamers, this cable is a game-changer. It outperforms Cat 6, Cat 6A, and Cat 7 cables, offering better bandwidth and distance capabilities. Whether you're into competitive esports or 4K game streaming, you'll experience faster response times and minimal lag. Plus, it's fully backward compatible with older Ethernet standards, so you won't have to worry about connectivity issues. If you're using Power over Ethernet or PoE, this cable has you covered. It supports up to 280 cables in a bundle, far exceeding the 101 cable limit of Cat 6A. It can also withstand temperatures up to 75 degrees Celsius and support 100 watts power transmission, ensuring a robust and reliable network infrastructure. Cable Matters backs this product with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Whether you're setting up a high-speed gaming rig, an enterprise network, or a data center, this cable is built for long-term use. Overall, the Cable Matters Cat 8 Ethernet cable is an excellent choice for anyone looking for ultra-fast, reliable networking. It's perfect for gaming, streaming, data centers, and PoE applications, making it one of the best Cat 8 cables on the market. With its future-proof design, superior performance, and lifetime warranty, this is a solid investment for any serious tech enthusiast. What do you think about this cable? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alltech for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next one.